Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Peak TV. I am Mubashir Noor Kamyana. Viewers, you know at this time coronavirus is again spreading all over the world, including my dear Pakistan. At this time, I have a message for rich men who have a lot of money, who have a lot of power and wealth. Please help those people who are very poor. Please help those people who are unemployed people. Please help those people who are very helpless. Please listen my this message with humble and with patience. Thanks. The wheat was rich in the city. The children died of a laborer. Today, coronavirus is spreading in my dear country Pakistan for the third time again. Today, in my country, poor people are suffering from conditions like inflation and unemployment, so fed up with no hunger, poverty, killing their own children. No other person kills their children, but they are killing themselves by getting tired of this situation. Today, no poor square, intersection, and streets are forced to beg. So, no one is forced to steal the floor from the goods truck going on the road. Today, this situation has become in our life. Our people are playing with themselves and their lives to hunger their stomach. Where is this poor class who is waiting for one bite of bread? Where is poor class is waiting for one drop of water? Where do these people fill the stomach of their hungry children, while they do not have any permanent employment? This difficult time is time of trial. In this difficult time, the rich people reported the sad humanity. Allah and the Prophet pleased him. Now is the time to fill the stomach of the hungry. Pay the loan to the borrowers. Fill the poor of poor. Instead, by their heartfelt prayers and get the pleasure of Allah and the Prophet. Otherwise, we all do not mind this well, that hunger destroys the etiquette of civilization. It is very dangerous to be hungry. If the chains of slavery remain hungry for freedom, there will be a revolution in one day. If the hunger of the bread continues to flow, then one day they will snatch the nose of others. If a man's eyes are hungry for a woman's heart, then one day he will try to see his image in his own gender and animals. There are many curses and diseases in the world, and hunger is his mother. Hunger encourages crime. Hunger creates thieves, robbers, and pathways. Hunger teaches beggars. Hunger forces prostitutions. Hunger creates madness. Madness does not produce hunger. Hunger teaches extremism. His attack is very dangerous. His wound is very full and his wound is very deep. Today, we have a moment of thought. What are we standing on as a nation? The people whom Allah has bestowed with honor, wealth, power, money, and all His blessings. How close are they to their people at this time? Those who hold a higher position than the power of the people, are they performing their duties today? We all to need think seriously on this matter.